Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
People, you see that? So the taxi they are black up. So the taxi man they jump out a fiend car, move the taxi here. Yo, Jamaica something else to the people. Yo, Jamaica something else, people. Jaja know, boy. Jaja know. So him come here so now for load now. So him gonna block the road now too, you know. Yo, trust me people, Jamaica something else.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Go on people, 876 by birth, as you heard in the intro. Welcome to the channel if it's the first time you've seen one of these videos, alright, one of my videos, alright. Yeah, over here so are just some good vibes, you get what I say? Yeah, and basically what we do, we just drive around the place in a Jamaica and we just chat, you understand? Yeah, shout out to all the new subscribers, alright? Shout out to all of the new subscribers and people look on that van with them a water in the tank, them, you know, people. Yeah, water. I don't know if a river water or just regular drinking water. I don't know, but the water in them people, yeah. But anyways, as me I say, shout out to the new subscribers them. Yeah, the people them from way over yonder and the people them from right us up on the rock. You don't know the thing, go big up on yourself, alright? Yeah, man. As me say, welcome to the channel. Alright, yeah, 876 by birth. And over here, so just be a good vibes, people. Be a good vibes. You understand? We just vibe over here so and have fun and yeah, you see me? Don't be afraid to drop your comments, alright? Drop your comments them in the comment section, alright? Yeah. Because that's how we have a little chit chat and them little thing there. You get what I say? Yeah. That's how we just hold a little small vibes and do a thing and yeah, you understand? So big up on yourself. All the new people and big up on yourself. The people that always a comment, big up on yourself. The people that are afraid for comment, big up on yourself. And the people that will drop the one comment. Hey, there's a lot of persons that has been dropping them little first comment. You understand? Some of them are long time subscriber, you know, and they might drop them little first comment. You get me? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Alright, no love and support. Hey, somebody comment and say, yo, I'm first time this a comment, you know, but I don't want to shout out or nothing. I just a big you up because yourself you just drop a comment. So respect to that person, you see me? Yeah, when you can drop someone one comment to one, if you know I'm loading up, I'm not loading up, you see me? But big up on yourself. Whole heap of my dear one them, big up on yourself as well, you understand? Yeah, Florida peeps, Canadian people, you understand? UK people. Yo, January Star. Yo. People from the Asia, the people from the Africa side, yo, big up on yourself, the Caribbean people, big up on yourself, people them were there in a jam rock, right, just like myself, yep, big up on yourself, alright, enough love and support, enough love and thanks for the support, see, yeah, they might paint some murals out there, some people, yeah, murals I get painted, alright, Look like I never sponsor this whole mural painting because almost everyone will go with the mural and paint. Mr. Ria never catch up there beside it. So you know, Ria never buy paint give them. But yeah man, to the people who actually in a Portmore right now, we have one place that them call Naga's Head or Naga's Head. Yeah, that's how it is, see? And what is going on downtown Kingston? You don't know. I mean, a lot of you were there from day one, you know, familiar with the drive, you had a little route and everything already. But we're going to do it again. You understand? Because it's a lovely afternoon. Yeah, the place was kind of overcast, but it's 1% now, you know, kind of clear up a bit. Yeah, and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful evening, people. So why not go for a little small drive out? You understand? Yeah. That's how we do it, people. You get me? Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful evening. Right now, festive season we're there, you know. Yeah, festive season. People, may I get a call? I've been calling. Hold on. I'm going to mute this, though. Yeah, people, sorry about that. Yeah, me get a little phone call. Me have to just adjust one little small matters, you know? Yeah. But yeah, as I was saying before, you know, at the festive season right now, people, yeah, it approach all of who celebrate, you know, this holiday, yeah, when you know it thing go. To approach down to that time there, to approach the year in and all of them, some of the whole heap of little thing go on. When you know the island buzzy already when it comes to them little time of year, right? Yep. Be a niceness out there. Yeah, man, be a niceness moving across with our baby. Hold on, take a time, go through, baby. Yeah. Alright, yeah, man, be a niceness out there. Oh, don't know this already, right? Yeah. Oh, and if you're there over in the winter, well, I don't really winter now still, we know like fall, but you know, Jamaicans, we just know about summer winter still. You see me, and then we really identify. And not even in Jamaica, we don't even have winter at that, you see me? Yeah, we don't say, oh, Christmas time and Christmas breeze are blow. And that we say. But anyways, if you're over there in the cold, January, what you do over there? You know the vacation, you know the days left. What happened? The vacation them done? Come on yard, man. Come on yard. The place nice. Come on yard. Place nice, man. Just in case you're over there and thing. You see me? Yeah. I'm going to lock up the AC. I'm going to wind down the window them so we can get more of the sound from the streets and things, eh? Yeah. We're there back road right now, people. And as I say, we're making way in a Kingston, alright? Yep. So wind down window. Yeah. Here we're going out the road. Right now we're passing. So you see them car there, we just passed on the right side now. Them there people come and buy fish. From the fish vendor them they say, yeah. You see me, because you know boat could all come in or boat about for come in, so people are line up, get them fresh fish. Yeah, man, I know a thing go, man. I don't play a thing. I don't play a thing with people. Another thing, I hope everybody, you know, I do good, you see me? Everybody that's hearing my voice, I hope you all doing pretty good and thing. Hope everything is okay. I hope you're alright health wise and them little thing there. And if you even have any issues, I pray and hope say it will sort out in a short order. In a short order, alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. On the back road stretch of the infamous back road. You know where back road famous for, right? And people, it's windy outside. Like, I hope the wind, because the wind are blowing for me, I just hope it not to affect the sound quality. I mean, it shouldn't, but I hope not. Because when they be pretty much up on the coastline, right? You know, Portmore situated along, you know, a section of the south coast. So yeah. So right now we are going up on the causeway, or the toll as Portmore people call it. Yeah. Cruise on the toll right now. People, it's a beautiful day today, you know. It's beautiful people, like it's clear and all of that. It's nice. It's nice. Sometimes we can barely see up on the hill and see the thing. Maybe the camera not showing it properly, but there I look clear upon the hill. You can see the houses, them up at Beverly Hills and all them place there, you know? Yeah. Yeah, people. So that tool I know for class 1. What this man doing? Are you mad, bruv? Cut from in front of the man a driver, I'm thinking I'm going to come down in another lane and I see the man just switch. Yeah, people, so that told you a 340 class 1. The sign might have flicker because the camera lens and the LED. Afternoon. Thank you. Yeah, so I don't know if it flickered a while ago, but sometimes it flickers because the lighting and the camera lens are just a camera thing, you know? Yeah. So yeah, we're up on the toll, people. Portmore Causeway. And in front of it, so that at the wharf or Port Authority. You know? Yeah, Jamaica Port Authority. And people, the speed limit I think is 70. So you might want to observe the speed limit, especially just observe the speed limit. Sometimes them boys out here and you don't know if them store go already. Food them a look. Yeah. If they're really interested for you maintain the speed or whatever. I'm glad when you overdo it. You know? So yeah. So once you depend it does kinda, as long as I'm not rush hour, because when I rush hour them not really troubling because they want the traffic for go on, you get me? Yeah. Somebody flash me there. Them out there. I guess them out there. So we're gonna cruise and make sure we are the 70 miles per hour because we don't have the money to get the police. Yeah, we don't have the money to get the police, people. So we're gonna take our time and do a little 70 miles, you know? See a man they break up down there? And them around there. See it? Them around there. Them boys looking the food. See them? Go over in the lane there. I couldn't get a good look on them. Yeah, man. See if you don't know them. Yeah. See if you don't know them. They might look at food, man. Boy, we're not getting another fat one. Don't get to them, man. We love it too much, man. We love it too much. Too much. Yeah, man, they want to clap people and, you know, eat food off of them. But people seriously don't for obey the speed limit on the road, though, and don't do no reckless driving and things. You understand? Yeah, don't do no reckless driving, people. Don't do none of that. Alright? Yeah. right now, basically I approach. Well, no. Rush hour in Jamaica probably start from like maybe about 4 o'clock. Yeah, about 4 o'clock. Right now, after 3 now. So within, like now, like 3:15. So within like the next 45 minutes, you don't know it go. Them places jam up. Whole heap of traffic and thing. Sometimes it will be start a little bit earlier too, you know? Yeah. And we're going over this bridge here, and on the left hand side that you're looking, that's Kingston Airport. Yeah, some small planes and things land over there, so people. And right now we're basically on Marcus Garvey Drive. That's where we are. Then over on my left hand side here, we have a lot of cars where people ship in, where I guess no space not on the wharf, or probably the wharf, so it makes sense we just put them over here so a whole heap of space over here. So yeah, people, them car people ship in, car them a go a car mart, car where people are buy personally, all them things there. Right now over the empty, people, I can't tell you that, over the empty. Over the empty, people. Yeah. Oh yeah, man, them say nothing now go on a yard, but a whole heap of car over there, and it seems like they're moving. It seems like them stagnant and I stay over there. Like this man a push out on these things. Brother man, wait. Some painting and go on and things. As we say, you know, festive season, so you know government are going to try to pretty up the place and thing, you know. Beautification project will take place and all these things, my people. So yeah, you know what's a Jamaica thing go already. He place a little facelift. You don't know what we as Jamaicans stay. Some garbage man over there up on a truck there. Yeah. Big up to the garbage collector them, you know? Yeah. Do the right thing. So yeah, people, you know we Jamaicans stay. Once a little holiday a chip in, we are going pretty up the place and something. House cleaning and all these things. Then call it a spring cleaning. Our spring cleaning at every holiday. When a holiday time, we just clean up the house, change up curtain and them, especially Christmas. You know, a whole heap of thing go on. Paint up your house. All sorts of things go on in a Christmas. Dust down some place. Yeah, some place we never been touched. from last year. Yeah, people them just a dust them down and things. It's a good look though, I like it, you know. Brighten up a place. Yeah, people, the curve wall me I talk about. I mean, you must see the man in my page still. But yeah, brighten up a place and thing. I like it. So this is an industrial terrace, people. Bring you go round Tivoli Gardens. Trailer man look like him a turn. Yeah, lock it up. Trailer man, I do him thing, people. Big unit, you know? Respect them on the road. Yeah. And people, I have a piece of watermelon when I eat. So in case I hear my mouth, I clap. Yeah, a watermelon, see? Do you know how long the bus broke down? Because I did drive so earlier, you know? Broke down from morning, people and still up on the side of the road. Morning. Need a set of police right there, so them a hide. Why Jamaican police love hide? Well, they one not really hide still, but them try to catch you. Like them why? When I understand this, I think you would have want your presence be seen. But I get it. I think you don't want your presence out there for the people them know say, yo, the cops are there. You know? Because that alone can deter, you know, wrongdoings, you know. Just a presence, just like how in Jamaica you have some dog in your yard. Thief not go broke in. Them not want to see no dog, no yard with no dog. I mean not saying you know, them still do what they want to do, you know, but your police you need to make a presence be seen. I have people so basically they in a downtown area. Alright? Yeah, that's how the downtown area. So I go drive carrying out on East Queen Street. This one I go in. You know which part Sir William Grand Park there? Right in that vicinity there. Ah, Papa. Yeah, people, this is downtown Kingston. And as usual, you know, I go on that tour there. Downtown. When it get closer to Christmas Day, Grand Market, them time them I go drop the tour. Come walk through the place and show them what I go and do now. Na full effect, alright? So people, this name Pitchan Street. That's how they right now, Pitchan Street. Umbrella sell the cap them. Wind up the window a little bit, baby. can't take the music because Jano, me can't take no claim and a strike right now, people. Honestly. Jaja Noah. I tell the music people, but you know downtown something this. Yeah. People, I don't know what I'm going to be that. Chuck there and I don't know. But a big unit, them need to free up the road for that chuck the people. What them are doing? I turn on by the AC because I boil. Why big unit a block up the road, people? People, you see that? So the taxi they are block up, so the taxi man they jump out of him car, move the taxi here. Yo, Jamaica something else, you know, people. Yo, Jamaica something else, people. Jaja know, boy. Jaja know, so him come here so now for load now. So him gonna block the road now too, you know. Yo, trust me people, Jamaica something else. And a big traffic jam up there, so I never intend for this video to be so long, you know, people. God know. But as you can see what go on, we get stuck in some traffic right now. A truck up ahead, I mean, it don't look like him can come out. Separate and apart from that, alright, so we are planning to go right. Don't do it, you know, brother. If you do it, you know. Oh God, this is going to cause more traffic up here now, you know. So yeah, we are planning to go right. What is chin? We are planning to go right. But it look like traffic down there. Be a traffic people. watch a taxi man here. I don't think of the right thing that him do. And then this man here block up the road cause him a load, you know. You see me right, that's the same one they move the other man taxi. Him a block up the road cause him a load. Him not for dead so. Yo, Jamaica me I tell you, yo, Jaja no. I tell the man to come round. Yo, Jamaica was some place, you know, we touch up the window a little bit there. I load him, I look for load too, you know. People, half of this a problem I caused by them taxi here, you know. Half of this a problem I caused by them taxi man, because them up there and load. Them not fit up on the corner and load. It has stolen traffic and them don't know what go on with the truck man. Truck man a long time if you do that big unit, you know. A long time if you do that truck man. Long time if you use bulleting. Big unit. Oh yeah people, welcome to downtown Kingston. I saw it set up. First now at Christmas time. So it things set up. I'll go on for that choke here. People the road jam up. Yeah, man. But are we here, brother? No space for there, so. But are we there? Space for there, brother. Hold on there. Want you. People, it's serious. I never expect a video for this long, people. The traffic is serious. I chuck the right side of me as some people. You chuck. I be a thing of boy. Be a thing of boy, people. I never expect it to the right as a right now. That's the real truth. Jada, you can't pass this, you know. People, the place pack up. You know my people, I never expect this to go on and so. Whole heap of blockage, people.
Schemas 800, Biker schemas 800, one pair arm sleeve 800, 800 and 1000 your arm sleeve, 800 and 1000 your biker schemas, schemas 1000, schemas 1000 go. 3 base and 4 base your woman slippers, woman slippers are still out. 3 base and 4 base your woman slippers, woman slippers are still out. 4 and 5 your slippers are still out, yes sir. 4 and 5 your slippers are still out, yes sir. Woman slippers are still out. 4 and 5 base and 6 base your woman slippers. 4 and 5 is and 6 days the one slippers. Shoes says 500. Shoes says 500. Pepper like shoes says 2 grand. 2 grand get pepper like shoes says. 350 and 4 days get woman slippers.
Alright people, it's kind of free up right now. I think it's straight people because I was say we can't go that way there, so we are going straight. Because we can't go down there so people, if they're not go done for now. Jaja no. Lock up. Chop man in a wait. Boy people, it's serious. Serious people, I never sit down here jam up say yet, me not lie. The man stop here, sir. Alright people, take on the road on one part. Hey, that's a fish market, it's a herders fish market. Long time I don't see down there so though. Yeah people, I go down there. When I plan for drive, I never think I can drive this again. Unless me go down Princess Street. Probably I do that, I don't know yet.
Oats are 50 and 100, sugar 150, macaroni and cheese are 150, tin mackerel 120, you ketchup and shrimp 120, mackerel 150, rabbit 120.
Sweet pepper, hot scotch money pepper, Walmart price Fabian,
You go down here saying it, people. Down here so look like it black up too. Backside. Boy, I not like people, I never planned for this. But I close by me a turn still, you know. Alright, so I still can drive when I didn't want it. But I want to drive. People, I never expect this. You have to watch them taxi because most of them park up. You think I traffic them in, you know, and I load them, you know. Welcome to downtown Kingston, Jamaica, yeah? People, the whole place that traffic from round there to round there, so I'll be a traffic, whole place and traffic, jam. Whole place. Be a traffic people. Serious people, it's serious. Might have to speed up them part of the video. never know say Rona so would have stay so. You never know the video would have to be so long. Boy, people, we are going in it, you know, because I saw one go. People who just go and enjoy the surrounding and look if you don't see nobody who don't see long time. Don't have to know there. You know what I'm saying? When you want to see somebody who don't see long time, just come at town. So just go and look if you see nobody a pass who don't know. Yeah? Yeah. But I come go and walk through shortly, man. Very soon I go and walk through. Don't you see me? See the excitement and thing we go on down here. I want to put in there because I can't take a jerk song right now and give me a play. Not even realize it could have play. things that get delivered and all these things, people. Small up the roadway. Less space for drive and raid. I'm telling you. Look how they get so free. Yeah, people. Around here, some just want to bring you know. Around here, some did want to bring you come, people. See how down there, so? Be a police or something. Alright, around here, some just want to bring you come. Yeah. Stuff like the fan green, people. Alright, but people, here we go on. Yes, I'm going to cut it off. Maybe I expect the video to be so long, but big up on yourself. I'm glad you're there. You see me? And journey with me for the LiQWYD. It was a little experience a while ago. I'm not going to lie to you, see? But bless up on yourself. We're about to go up on East Queen Street right now. Yeah, that's how we think there. Alright, so later on, look like I'll be a traffic down there so too. Later, people, see? Bless up.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.